Brand new Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge cold start. This car is equipped with a Novitec valve exhaust. As you can hear, it's rumbling. Low tone, not super loud, not super quiet. I like it. Now to close the doors. Automatic doors. Welcome back to Import to Cup channel, where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today, guys, I have the epitome of luxury, presenting the 2023 Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge. I'll show you all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. When you say Black Badge, what does it mean? So basically, all the shiny parts are all in black chrome, guys. Normally, the grille comes in chrome finish. It's all black chrome. The Spirit of Ecstasy is black chrome as well. Normally, it's chrome. Then, all the window trips are in black chrome. The side mirrors are colored black. Well, the stock wheels are colored black as well. Basically, almost everything is black. So this is a really good option if you like young-looking Rolls-Royce. So it suits a younger generation more. What did we change to this Rolls-Royce Ghost? Basically, we've installed Novitec complete Spofec kit. So the front bumper is changed, the rear bumper is changed, the side skirts is changed, the fenders are changed, and we installed the ducktail lip spoiler. The vents are even bigger as you compare to the stock ones. Looks so aggressive. I like it. Also, these are all made in carbon fiber, guys. If you leave it non-painted, these are all carbon fiber. But who likes carbon fiber on a Rolls-Royce? Well, I personally don't. So that's why we painted all the panels that we changed to the black color of this Rolls-Royce. We even made this pinstripe to continue to the new fenders. It shows a hint of what you can see inside. Rolls-Royce Ghost comes in black wheels. It's not an ordinary wheels, guys. It's actually carbon fiber. Stock carbon fiber rims on a Rolls-Royce. But, of course, we don't want stock. I have changed this Ghost to sport an MV Forge 3-piece setup. This is brushed finished with polished windows. Outer lip, inner lip, then this is the face. With the Rolls-Royce floating center caps. It's all Rolls-Royce too, with the air cap valve. I'm into details when I build cars, so yeah, I painted the calipers as well. This is black chrome finish. You'll know the fenders are changed because of this design. Looks vented, but it's not. A lot of people are asking, you changed the fenders, is it wider than stock? It's not actually. You guys like it? Comment in the comment section below. Also, the side skirts are more aggressive. The only problem that I have with this car is this chrome handles. How I wish they made it black chrome. I'm thinking of painting this or doing it in black chrome. I'll just ask the owner. But for now, it's okay because it complements the polished wheels. So yeah, I told him I won't touch this first. Maybe next time in the future. When he gets tired of the look, we can make it black chrome. Also, this irritates me. I wish they didn't put the keyhole here. The fronts are sporting 255/30/24. Actually, the stock wheels are 22s. We made it bigger to 24s, 2-inch bigger. And the rear tire sizing is 285/30/24. Staggered setup, wider at the rear. We slammed the car. Well, this is the park height. So meaning to say this car has air suspension. You can lower it, you can make it higher, then there's a normal driving height. This is the lowest setting. Looks so nice. You can even put your finger. It's all black chrome. This is part of the black badge, guys. Look at that. Then this is part of the Novitec kit. This is all carbon fiber, guys. This ducktail wing. Then the whole bumper is changed. If you're not familiar with the car, it looks like an OEM Plus design. And I like it because you don't want something crazy on a Rolls-Royce. But yeah, for me and for the owner, we've discussed so many programs that we can do on this Ghost. But we prefer doing the Novitec Spofec kit. Looks so good. The exhaust tips are black chrome. Normally it's chrome, guys. This is chrome as well. Normally it's chrome, but black chrome now because of the black badge. We've installed a Novitec valve exhaust. Can you believe a brand new Ghost sporting an aftermarket exhaust? I'll let you guys hear it. I'll put it in the silent mode first. This is the loud mode, guys. The valves are open. See? Wow. Sounds so good. It actually has burbles. Can't believe it. One thing I like about this car as well are these automatic doors, guys. So yeah, normally when you open a door and when you close it, you have to do it manually. But this, well, this is a Rolls-Royce, so it's all automatic. Look at that. I love it. There's a switch there. You can close both sides by a switch. Look at that. The metallic paint. It looks like it's shining. But yeah, you can see the Novitec fenders. Look at the design cue. It matches this design cue from Novitec. This is all changed. The rear bumpers are changed. So yeah, it looks way more aggressive and more sporty. And made out of carbon fiber. I really like it. Since this is a Rolls-Royce and we're gonna start the driving feature, I'll start off by activating the, look at that, driver's seat massage. Look at that. Yeah, massage seat number 2. I like my back massage. So yeah, I can feel it. It's so nice. And you know, the infotainment is pretty easy to use. It's so quiet. Like literally, you can just hear the air blowing out of these aircon vents. But without it, it's so damn quiet. Carpet is so thick, guys. The sound insulation of this car is so thick as well that you cannot hear anything outside. And the windows are thicker. It's so relaxing. It's so easy to drive. People would say a car like this, as expensive as this, would be an intimidating car to drive, but it's not. I'm used to driving huge cars like an SUV. It feels like an SUV sized car. It's so smooth. You guys are wondering what's the displacement of this car. So it's a 6.7 liter V12 twin turbo producing around 592 horsepower and 664 torque. It's pretty torquey. Look at it. The power delivery is so smooth. I think Rolls-Royce tuned the car to produce more horsepower if you buy the black badge. And also, people are wondering, is there modes with the Rolls-Royce? It actually has. Look at this. Low. When you see the low mode, if you press this, the shifts are faster. It holds the RPM more in a gear. When you wanna speed up and you wanna drive fast on a Rolls-Royce, press the low mode. Yeah. The switches, it's all milled out of, aluminum. Look at that. I love touching every single button of this interior. And the quality of a Rolls-Royce is in another level. Literally, the leather is way better and more exquisite. So driving a Rolls-Royce, it feels like you're gliding on clouds. I lowered the car and installed 24-inch rims, so you can feel the bumps. It's crazy how much attention this car gets when people see it on the road. Attention in a good way, I guess, because they appreciate quality and the looks of the car even more that we modified it. Also, it won the Best of Show custom car in the Manila Auto Salon 2023. I didn't expect that win, guys, but the judges are amazed on what I did to this car, because literally it's a brand new car. Then when the owner ordered this, he ordered parts already. When you do the low mode, the throttle response is way faster. See, the pickup's good. The handling is not bad. Like, it's easy to point wherever you want to go. It's responsive in low mode. It has burbles. It's crazy that a Rolls-Royce has burbles now. I don't know if I've never driven a normal Ghost, or maybe they did the burbles with the black badge. I don't know if somebody knows about it. Can you put it in the comment section? But yeah, this has burbles, guys. Crazy. Wow. Whoa. The brakes. It's scary. One more. See? Wow. It's pretty quick. Surprisingly. I think this is the quickest Rolls-Royce that I've driven. Since this is a Rolls-Royce, it's mainly driven by a chauffeur. It's you have a driver to drive you around town. So yeah, I'll show you all the things that I like here. First, I like how special this carbon fiber is. It's not the ordinary carbon fiber weave that you have on a car. So I like it. Also, everything I touch, it feels luxury. Look at that. Even the buttons. I can control everything from here. Look at that. Also, even the seat adjustment. This is actually a short wheelbase Ghost. You can buy the long wheelbase version if you want more legroom, but I think this is good enough. Also, if you need, there's a monitor. You can control everything from here. Look at the screen. So yeah, it's all touchscreen. You can control the media, radio, navigation, vehicle, communication. What else? Well, everything that you need. Then this is the control knob. And the table, it's made out of carbon fiber. Look at that. So nice. And everything's automatic, guys. All the aircon vents are milled. CNC milled, I think, with aluminum. The sound system of this car is one of the best I've heard. There's a logo of a Rolls-Royce, Spirit of Ecstasy. Then, I like the curtains. Look at that. If you don't want to look, if you want some privacy, look at that. So yeah, see? Wow. Privacy, please. Of course, the Starlight headliner. This comes standard now. It shoots stars. You can put constellation and all, it shoots stars. Yeah, if you stare at it long, you'll see it. I like the pillow as well. It's super comfy. I can actually stay here for long drives. It's so nice. Then, one thing I like, because I like drinking, look at that. Whiskey decanter. And it has...
Are we trying it?
It smells expensive too. Scotch glass. Has a Rolls-Royce logo engraved. See? If you guys are wondering what this logo is, this is the black badge. They just started this recently. I think this is geared towards for the younger generation clients of Rolls-Royce, because it's all blacked out and carbon fiber weave. Then there's a refrigerator, that where you can put your soda or like a mini champagne. Then another glass. Yeah, it's so cold. Look. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's it. The things that I like sitting at the back of a Rolls-Royce Ghost. So that's it for today's special and expensive Rolls-Royce episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.